Hi, my name is Joe Donaldson, and this is my Holdframe workshop. After over a decade of working in this field, I can say that creating this series for The New Yorker was easily one of the highlights of my career. From the quality of the scripts, all the way down to the creative freedom the project offered, I couldn't have asked for a better opportunity, or a better way to further my personal practice. In this workshop, we'll discuss how I worked with The New Yorker to develop the series from beginning to end, coming up with the art direction and visual language for each film, how to work with the script and turn it into a final animation, the importance of process, and we'll also look at various animation techniques which can save you loads of time, especially if you ever find yourself producing long-form animation. I hope you enjoy.
In a certain sense, this particular predicament is filled with many less distractions than at other periods of my life, and actually enables me to work with a little more concentration and continuity. The only thing that mitigates against full production is just the condition of my body. There are times I just have to lie down. Sometimes it's just like, you're losing too much weight now, man. You're dying, but you don't have to cooperate so enthusiastically with the process. You know, like, it's very compassionate at this stage. I mean, more than any time in my life. I don't have that voice that says, you're fucking up. That's a tremendous blessing. Really, you know, took care of business and I'm ready to die. I hope it isn't uncomfortable. There's a great deal of new material that I haven't sorted out. There are songs halfway through that are not bad. Listen to the hummingbird, whose wings you cannot see. Listen to the hummingbird, don't listen to me. Listen to the mind of God, which doesn't need to be. Listen to the mind of God, don't listen to me. So, it's halfway. I don't think I'll be able to finish those songs. And maybe I'll get a second wind, I don't know.